In this video, we're taking a quick look at the volleyball controller in ProScoreboard. Each team has controls for score, sets won, and timeouts left, all updated with the plus and minus buttons above and below each stat. Click Serve to toggle the serve indicator between teams, and use the game clock controls to start, set, or reset the clock as needed. Just like tennis, volleyball includes a set tracking area for the current set and past sets. The current set is highlighted in red and shows the current games won. To move forward to the next set, click the next set number to save the current set, move it onto the scoreboard, and reset the game counters to 0. Once saved, a set score turns orange. This is the version currently shown on the scoreboard. To make a correction, click directly on the orange score you want to change and update it. And that's volleyball. Serve tracking, simple scoring, and built-in set management make it easy to keep the board current from first serve to match point. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.